Hey, what's up guys, welcome again into the new video. And in this video, if you are in Kenya, then this video is going to be very beneficial to you. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can make money online using this website and how you can be able to get things cheaply. Remember, the economy is very tight and you have to escape it in every way. And with this app guys, I once created a video about it in this channel and I will go ahead and show you. So I will leave the link in the description box below, and if you are very interested in making money online, then this is the easiest way you are going to be able to make money online. So guys, before I get started, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Fadi Lectoz. I am an internet marketer, and as you can see here in this channel, I give you tips and guides to make money online. So guys, go ahead, okay, and hit this subscribe button and give me a like in this video, and also don't forget to click at the notification bell that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will always notify you each and every time I upload a new video. So with that guys, let's get into the video and let's get started as fast as we can. So welcome guys into the video. Now that you are here, I will go ahead and show you the exact website. Okay, and if I come to my channel, okay, if I come to my channel and I scroll, as you can see, I'm scrolling. You see this video here? I created this video like 5 months ago, and you can see it has got 3.3k views. This app, when it was launched guys, I promoted it, and I promoted because it was legit. This is an e-commerce website, okay, and in this website is where you are going to be able to make money online. So if you want to get the link, you will just come and click on this video, okay, and once you click on this video guys, as you can see, you will come into the description here where it is saying show more, and once you say show more, the link is here. Just click this link, and once you click that link, you will be able to land on a page like this one here, where it is saying you thank you for your interest in joining Nuzo. With Nuzo, you can promote your products for free and offer your customers valuable loyalty points, redeemable for cash, prizes and more. And let me just tell you that this is very real. This is something that is working. So in this website, when you come here, you will be able to sign up, give your first name, give your last name. I showed everything in the video, in this video here. I showed everything about how to create an account. Then come here and create a business name. Okay, if you have got a business, just put a business, whether it is this is an e-commerce website that is supporting small businesses. Okay, so if you have got a shop, just write the name of your shop here. It doesn't matter what you're selling, and put your email, put your Safaricom line here. This Safaricom number, it's very important because this is the number which you'll be using to accept your payments, okay, or you will be, when you redeem points, you will be getting money. Then just click join now, okay, and once you click on join now, something will pop up, like maybe you want to become a seller, or you want to become a buyer. Okay, you buy things and still you can earn through your referral link. So if you have got a shop, just sign up as a seller, and if you don't have a shop, just sign up as that option which you have been given below. Okay, it is very easier. Make sure you watch that video which I'm showing you, so that you may be able to sign up into this create app. And once you sign up into this app, this is how it will be looking like. As you can see, this app, guys, is working very powerful. It's very powerful. And what I want you to understand is that you can now even earn extra cash, share plus earn, okay, with Nuzo, and earn as your friends shop. And that is the most important thing that I wanted to talk to you. Remember, things are very tough now in the economy, and what you can only do is to utilize how you live. So as you can see in this is an e-commerce shop, and they do delivery within Nairobi. So if you are out of Nairobi, they cannot deliver things for you, but you can sign up. They have got a good customer support which can help you. Just click at the link, and once you click at the link, okay, as you can see here, they are telling you sell online, create your free store. This is going to help you. As you can see, people here, I don't know how much this is in the supermarket, but I know it's more than this, okay? And here it's very cheaply, okay. A few days ago here it was like 169, but as you can see, it's very cheap. They are giving you Nuzo points whenever you buy or purchase things, and these things which they are giving you, or these points, okay, you can redeem them into cash. You can pay bills, DSTV, GoTV, you can pay KPLC bills, you can buy airtime, you can send it also to other users, okay. As you can see, they are selling things cheaply. You can use the link in the description box below, because this is a cashback online store. They have partnered with many small businesses within the city, and they are really amazing. As you can see, people are selling so many things here, and if you have got a shop, take this opportunity. It's easy to sign up, and if you don't have a shop, just buy things cheaply. This is more than Jumia. This is more than any other things. You can see people are selling even cars and so many other things in this website. It's very cheap. And the thing is that, guys, you can also share your link, okay. This app is mobile user friendly, you know what, and I'm showing you these things through my desktop, so don't worry why things are different, okay. Just download the app, and once you download the app, you will be able to get things, okay. As you can see here, they say want free delivery, pay with Celo dollars, okay. Celo dollars, this is a cryptocurrency. It is a real money, guys. In the video which I created, this video here, guys, it explains everything, okay. They are using a company called Valora, okay, which, guys, you will also have to download that app. That app is where you will be using to receive your payments. From there, you will be able to receive your payments into maybe into Mpesa or inside your bank account. So if I come here and click my Nuzo wallet here, as you can see here, I have got now 176 points, okay. And you can see they're saying you can pay bills, you can withdraw, you can send money, you can buy goods, you can buy airtime, and you can top up money inside this wallet, and you buy things. As you can see, since this is not user friendly, I can't scroll it. Let me zoom it back and let me just see you. As you can see here, I have got transaction below here, and this transaction, as you can see, they are showing you I have got real money that is generated here. As you can see, I have got a pending withdrawal of 3,495 Nuzo points, which cost almost, that is 3,000, okay, that is 3,000 Kenyan shillings. So guys, with this website, I can tell you that things can work very fast for you, okay. Just go in the link description box below. Make sure you created your account, like just I said, just come here, click any product, okay. okay? They will deliver for you within Nairobi. Okay, maybe you want to buy unga, you want to buy ajab, you want to buy any kind of anything that you usually use inside your household. Okay, and again, another thing which I want to show you as a bonus is that if you want to buy things in wholesale, okay, they have also partnered with other wholesale companies. Okay, so once you sign up here and you want things in bigger quantity, they will be able to still pay you in Nuzo point. Just create your account, get into the support center. You will be able to land on the WhatsApp active group, and once you go there, you can ask any questions, and if you can ask any questions, they will tell you. I know I'm there. You'll find me there with my colleagues and team. This is something real, and it is helping people. You can make so much money, and you can make so many your life to be very easier as the economy is rising. Products and their prices are very high out there, but if you use and take the opportunity to use this website, you will be able to get very, very good service. So if you want things in wholesale, you can just talk to them and they will tell you which partners you can use in order for you to order, and then they give you the points. And because when your customers also are buying from your shop, okay, they will be able also to get those points. Okay, each and every person is winning, so it's making life very easier. Like I said, make sure you come into this video, watch this video, okay, go through it. Okay, as you can see how I make money online in Kenya through Mpesa with my phone. Okay, so make sure you watch this video, and once you watch this video, it is very long. Okay, it will show you everything about this website. So with that, guys, I hope this video was very valuable to you. Make sure you give me that like. Okay, make sure you come and register for this website. It's very, very powerful. Okay, once you get in, guys, I know you will be very, very happy and very, very, very smiling. Okay, I hope to create another video of this, guys, because many people actually inbox me. They come inside my Facebook, they inbox me, and I've really helped them, and I hope to hear more from you. Make sure you give me a like in this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click at the notification bell, that whenever I upload any video, you will not be missing. Okay, so with that, guys, I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful. Let's get into the other thing, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.